In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to win eBay auctions for cheap. If you're looking to snag great deals on eBay, mastering the art of auction bidding is essential. Let's delve into some effective strategies to help you secure those coveted items at a fraction of the price. First, let's talk about a highly effective strategy known as snipe bidding. This involves placing your bid during the final moments of an auction, specifically in the last 5 to 10 seconds. The idea here is simple. By swooping in at the very last moment, you prevent other bidders from having enough time to react and potentially outbid you. This strategy can help keep the price lower than it might be in a more extended bidding war. Now, you might be wondering how to execute this technique. For those who want to try it manually, the key is preparation. Make sure you're watching the item closely as it nears the end of the auction. Be ready and logged in at least 2 minutes before it closes. As the countdown gets closer, prepare to place your maximum bid with only 5 to 10 seconds remaining to give yourself the best chance of winning. If manual snipe bidding sounds a bit daunting, or if you want to streamline the process, consider using a sniping tool. Tools like Jixon, which is free, BidSlammer or Auction Sniper, can automate this process, allowing for precise last-second bids without the stress of the manual approach. Another useful tip is searching smarter by using hidden deal keywords. Often, you can find the best deals on eBay by looking for listings that have typos in them. Try searching for common misspellings like Nikon camera, PlayStation, or Adidas shoes. These listings might not pop up in regular searches, leading to less competition and potentially lower prices. Pay attention to the timing of an auction. Auctions ending at unusual hours, such as between 2 to 6 am during major holidays, or on weekdays during typical work hours, often have fewer active bidders. This reduced competition can be a golden opportunity to place winning bids without the usual rivalry. Finally, it's crucial to set a maximum bid and stick to it. Determine your absolute top price before you bid and resist the urge to go over it. Emotionally charged bidding can lead to unexpected overspending. Sniping is most effective when you rely on eBay's auto bidding system to gradually increase your bid up to your preset maximum without premature revelations. By implementing these strategies, you can navigate eBay's auctions more deftly and potentially win items for much cheaper than market rates. Try these methods and see how your bidding success improves.